this card, I wanted to share a little thing with you that I learned at the retreat. And again, it's not that it's something probably new, but can you see the background of this card? This is a Valentine's Day card, which is so cute. I did a little masking on the back of my Sending You Love. I'm going to show you how I did that, how I made my template. Because I'm going to show you these cards that we did at the virtual class, and you're going to love them. But what I did is I cut a 3x4 piece of basic white, and let me show you the dies here, because I want to show you how I put them together, because this Endless Love has all these XOXO dies, and I just took a piece of the Post-it note tape, and I lined them up. Maybe you can see them. Yeah, I lined them up on my Post-it note tape, and I just die cut them. I moved them down, and then I flipped it so they wouldn't be all so uniform. And then I flipped it, and then I flipped it back. So I got 5 rows on this masking template with just my 3 little X's and O's from the Endless Love. And I just kept them on there because I got a feeling I'm going to do that again. Even though the template, once you make it, just keep it with the stamp set, right? All right, and then I took a piece of basic white, and I'm going to take more Post-it note tape. You guys know how to do masking, right? So I cut this basic white piece on the bottom a little bit bigger. So I think I cut this at 4 1/4 by 3 1/4. And I'm just using my Post-it note tape to secure this down in place. So when I sponge with my blending brush, so I got my Pretty in Pink in my blending brush. I never clean, well, I clean them, but I don't have a blending brush for each color. I just clean it off. Or take a baby wipe and kind of buff it out. But all the pinks, all the blues, all the browns, I kind of use one brush for each color group. So I'm just taking the petal, I keep saying petal pink, but it's Pretty in Pink. And I'm going to start off of the paper, and I'm just going to add my Pretty in Pink ink over the mask that I made myself. I will show you the cards that we made at class. And I will show you the card that inspired us, or inspired me, I should say, to cut this mask, right? Super easy. And then once you have your mask, you got it, right? So let's take off our Post-it note tape. Put it up here. Lots of tips for you guys today. So there's my background to my card, and then I would cut this down to 3x4 or 2 7/8 by, what did I do for my card? Yeah, I cut it down to 2 7/8 by 3 7/8, and then I layered that onto the Pretty in Pink 3x4. And then I just die cut a bunch of hearts, and then I also use these hearts, which I love these little shaker pieces. These are the loose Valentine assortments. They got lips, hearts, little envelopes in there. Can you see it? Oh, sorry, I don't want to go close. But it's so cute. So I just picked out with my take your pick tool, and I just dotted the glue on my little background here, and I just added some of the Pretty in Pink. So cute. I love it so much. There we go.